Hello and welcome to the English class of Aryabhat International School. So today we will learn poem of class 12th. So first of all, look at this picture. What is the picture all about? The man is saying us to keep quiet. So we will learn today the poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda of class 12th. So let's have a brief description about the poet. Was the pen name means its writer's name about for his writing, and later legal name of his Chilean poet, diplomat and politician Neftali Ricardo Reyes Basualto, born on 12th July 1904 and died on 23rd September 1973. He derived his pen name from the crazed poet Jan Neruda. उसको ये पेन नेम अपना राइटिंग का नेम किससे मिला? क्रेज पोइट जैन नेरुडा से. ही won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. Neruda became known as a poet when he was 10 years old. He wrote in a variety of styles including surrealist poems, historical epics, erotically charged love poems such as the ones in his collection 20 Love Poems and A Song of Despair, which was written in 1942. A brief outlook of the poem is that the poet visualizes a state of comfortable inertia where he wishes for pleasant idleness and relaxation away from the frantic rat race. Rat race means their people are running one after another. Destructive activities means deforestation, wars, and futile wars. He wishes for a profound silence and stillness that would alleviate the sadness caused by lack of self-understanding and the threat of self-destruction, and which would build up a sense of togetherness. Means here the poet wants to declare that man is forgetting himself, forgetting his pleasure in the greed to collect the things, and he became sad and stressed. So the poet wants him to stop for a minute and sense togetherness and unite themselves by in one bond. So introduction of the lesson is that discuss the need of maintaining peace and silence. He stresses upon being quiet and harmless to the human beings, animals and environment. He suggests that in order to maintain peace and harmony, it's required to stop and introspect ourselves. Introspect ourselves means to know what we have done and what we have achieved and what are activities affecting others. Now let's begin the poem. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. Here poet wants to say that he will count to 12, 1 to 12, and we will all keep still. हम एक जगह still मतलब silent हो जाएंगे, keep quiet हो जाएंगे, अपनी activities जो है उन्हें stop कर देंगे. The poet begins with counting 12, using everyone to be still. He chose 12 for several reasons. 12 hints at the 12 hours of a day, which rules our life. 12 refers to 12 zodiac signs believed to be the controlling forces of life. 12 refers to 12 months of year, and if we believe numerology, it's the digit of peace and prosperity. 12, poet use here 12 for many reasons, for the peace and prosperity. 12 even maybe aim for a preparation for all to be ready to plunge in the state of silence. Now the poetic devices used in this stanza: we will, alliteration, line 1 and 2, count, still, antithesis means anti होना, किसी से बिल्कुल opposite होना. count करना मतलब काम करते रहना, और still होना stop होना. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Means on earth we are different people and we speak different languages. So we stop our different languages and we should unite ourselves and stop. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Here arms are defined, symbolized as weapons. कि हमें डिफरेंट कंट्रीज मीन्स वॉर को ध्यान में नहीं रखना है और अपनी आर्म्स को है उन्हें मूव नहीं करना, यूनाइट होना है हमें एक साथ, और स्टॉप फॉर 1 सेकेंड. द पोएट हेयर अर्थ मीन्स प्लीड एवरीवन टू ब्रेक द बैरियर्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज एंड यूनाइट विद वन विजिबल ट्यून, साइलेंस, बिकॉज वी स्पीक डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज एंड आर वन विजिबल ट्यून इज which unite us is silence. With the word earth, the poet hints that at all the human living, devoid the identity of country, creed, and caste. Though language is the identity of a country or race, he affirms that humans are more important, and the identity of being human of earth is broader realization. So we all stop for once, and we should not raise our weapons to bring a war on the face of earth, so that humanity, we should take care of our mankind and humanity. So the poetic devices used in this paragraph is one's own alliteration of O sound assonance. This is also called assonance. O is a vowel sound, so this is also called assonance and alliteration as well. It would be an exotic moment without rush. Here you can see the picture that people are running, rushing one after the other without engines. Engines means machines, vehicles, etc. We should all be together in a sudden strangeness. In a sudden environment, we should all be together. You can see in the picture together raising an earth with hands, and people are united and they are playing together. Here the poet wants to say that we are always on move. We are busy in any activity. We are all busy in completing our work and gone rushing in our lives. The poet even urged to stop engines, referring industrial work causing harms to environment, which are causing harms to environment like vehicles, machines. The poet urged us to stop our personal activity and stop engines and unite in one tone, and which the one tone is silence. The poet declares silence as exotic because this silence will make us blissful, strange and will bring complete equilibrium. मतलब बैलेंस कर देगी वो हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ में. हम थोड़ी देर स्टॉप होंगे, अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ को देखेंगे. That what we have done with our environment. We have polluted our environment with our deeds, so we should stop and we should save our environment. So poetic device used in this paragraph: repetition, we would alliteration, sudden strangeness, alliteration again. Fisherman in the cold seas would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his herd. Here, would not harm whales means fisherman, human will not harm any of the animals for his trade or any for his food also. So the salt gatherer, the man who is gathering salt, would look up his herd hands that what he has done to for his survival and for his activities. It will be still, we shall be able to introspect the mistakes and wrongs done. Here fishermen are the representative as all kinds of tyrants, means traders and killers. The poet wants them to cease their work and realize their mistake. The salt gatherers is explained as representative of poor and lower section of the society which suffers a lot, work hard, and they go up to any level to earn their livelihood and often hurt themselves irreparably. So the poetic device is used. Cold sea symbolized as polar region. His hurt hands alliteration. Those who prepare green wars. Green wars here symbolize the forest, the deforestation which we have done. War with gases, we have done pollution. Wars with fire means we have done world wars. Victories with no survivors would put on clean clothes and walk about their brothers in the shade doing nothing. The poet here condemns the people with green wars, biological weapon or creators of pollution, and wars with fire, atomic war. They become victorious but with no survivors left. मतलब उन्होंने जीत तो हासिल कर ली है पर यहाँ पे कोई भी सर्वाइवर नहीं बचा. The poet mocks at the victory of those people who get victory over destruction. जो अपने आप को समझ रहे हैं कि उन्होंने victory हासिल करी है, this is not victory at all. This is all destruction. The poet asks them to leave the path of destruction and join the group of silence. He urges them to put on white, symbolizing purity and serenity. Here, symbolizing poetic device is also used. White clothes and walk with others doing nothing mean anything negative and doing self introspection. Here, poet wants nothing means do not do any activity, but do not do anything negative and doing self introspection. So, alliteration and repetition is again used in this stanza. What I want should be confused with total inactivity. Means doing nothing means doesn't mean that total inactivity. Should not indulge in any activity, but do anything which is not against anybody or anything. Life is what it is about. I want to truck with death. The poet here warns us that this message of silence should not be confused with total inactivity or inertia. He further clears that his message does not have any affinity with death even. His message is aimed at the way of living कि हमें कैसे रहना चाहिए. He wants us to be stop a while and feel the calmness so that a positive introspection is done. Before that, human being is forget to how to live. He doesn't enjoy his pleasure. He doesn't enjoy the things that he achieved, but he's running after one another the things. So the poet here wants to remain silent for 1 second so that so that humans could enjoy his pleasure and enjoy the things which he has achieved. If we were not so single minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Here, earth can teach us symbolizes as teacher, personification use किया गया है. Earth is a teacher. Teach us when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Here, the poet wants to convey the message we human beings are single minded. We are always busy in achieving our goals, completing personal responsibility, and we never stop a while to evaluate ourselves and understand ourselves. We never understand that we shall never be able to come out of these desires and achievements. If we could stop a while from these using, we would have understood the real purpose of our lives and ourselves. Rather, we go on with the fear of death calculation, how much of our dreams and wishes will be achieved. We should enjoy our wishes and we should enjoy what we have achieved. We should be together, we should unite together. We should here the poet give a message of brotherhood and united for peace and humanity. So the poetic devices used is again we were alliteration. So last stanza. Now I will count up to 12 and you will keep quiet and I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12. So in conclusion, the poet taught us through the example of earth which at one season may look as if dead. एक सीज़न अगर हमें डेड लगता है कि बहुत सी after winter, if we can't do anything but comes back with life in another season. In spring season, we all the natural things, all human beings come back with life. Likewise, our life will also be a certain meaning when we walk on the right path, that is introspecting in silence. In the two lines last, the poet leaves us to introspect as if himself has gone through the same. In the last line, the poet is counting to 12 to tell us to remain in the silence and introspect ourselves has gone through the same. So poetic devices used in this stanza is dead, alive, antithesis. Rhyming scheme of the poem is free verse. It doesn't follow any rhyming scheme as you can see in the stanzas. So this was all about the poem.